Hello everyone! Today we're gonna talk about word stress in American English. This lesson is extremely important for you because it's gonna help you speak clearly and improve your pronunciation. You will learn the correct syllable stress and the simple rules that you need to follow so that native speakers and other people can understand you very well. But before we get started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell to get a notification every time a new lesson is published. Sometimes, when we make just a little pronunciation mistake, it can change the meaning of the whole phrase. When we put the wrong stress in the word, it can create some kind of confusion. If I say it's an important lesson where you can enjoy some useful information, what? You definitely don't understand what am I trying to say. This is because I put the wrong syllable stress in all these words. It's an important lesson where you can enjoy some useful information. But do you know what a syllable means? A syllable is a small unit, a part of the word that has only one vowel sound. Syllables are stressed differently. Now I'm gonna give you some words and I want you to say how many syllables each word has. If we clap our hands every time we hear a vowel sound, we can count the number of syllables. Orange, orange. 2 syllables. State, state. There is only 1 syllable in this word. Information, information. Here we have 4 syllables. A lot of people think that they need to pronounce all the letters in the word clearly and emphasize each syllable because they want other people easily understand them, what they are trying to say. But this is not the case in American English. When we have the word and we break it down into syllables, then we can think about which syllable is stressed. Stress is extremely important because some syllables are pronounced longer and louder and some syllables are shorter and lower. So we have stressed syllables and unstressed syllables. Orange. The first syllable is stressed. Information. The stress is on the 3rd syllable. It's not information, it's information. Why do we put the stress on the certain parts of the word? Let's find out. Now we're gonna learn the essential rules for word stress in American English. Rule number 1. In most 2-syllable nouns, stress is on the 1st syllable. Carrot, number, pencil, problem. You can repeat these words after me and train your tongue, and this kind of speaking practice will help you to make the correct syllable stress. Carrot, number, pencil, problem. Rule number 2. 2-syllable adjectives have the stress on the 1st syllable. Not always, not all adjectives, but most adjectives. Let's take a look at the examples. Funny, easy, simple, friendly. Let's practice together. Funny, easy, simple, friendly. Rule number 3. Most 2-syllable verbs have the stress on the 2nd syllable. You know that most English verbs have only 1 syllable. For example, run, work, play, eat. But when we have the verbs with 2 syllables like admit, refuse, enjoy, regret, you should be able to hear the stress on the 2nd syllable. Let's repeat. Admit, refuse, enjoy, regret. But there is always be exceptions. For example, open. It's a verb, but we have the stress on the 1st syllable. Rule number 4. There are some words that either can be a noun or a verb. Insult or insult. So what do you think, guys? Which one is correct? If the word is a noun, the stress is on the 1st syllable. If the word is a verb, the stress is on the second syllable. Insult, insult.
I didn't know if it was a compliment or if it was an insult.
I don't know if it was a compliment or it was an insult. Insult is a noun and stresses on the first syllable. Insult. This person insulted me. Insult is a verb and stresses on the second syllable. Insulted. Present, present.
On the train home, she gave me a present, a Coach brand change purse with brown leather trim.
On the train home, she gave me a present. A present is a noun, and the stress is on the first syllable.
I'd like to present a perspective that I think comes closest to the truth.
I'd like to present a perspective that I think comes closest to the truth. To present is a verb, so the second syllable is stressed. Present. The same for the words import, import, increase, increase, record, record. Now let's repeat these words together. Insult, insult, present, present, import, import, increase, increase, record, record. This rule is extremely important because so many students find these words confusing because they have the same spelling but they are pronounced differently. Rule number 5. Words that end tion and sion. The stresses on the syllable that goes before the last syllable. Information, exception, decision, commission, description, communication. You can see that the stresses on the vowel sound that is before the last syllable. Let's read these words together. Information, exception, decision, commission, description, communication. Great! These rules will help you to speak clearly and put the correct syllable stress in English words. Let me know in the comments if you want me to make the second part of the lesson about word stress in the sentence. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, guys. If you benefit from watching my videos and enjoy learning American English with me, please subscribe to this channel, hit the like button and the bell down below, and I'll see you later. Bye bye!